Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and welcome to my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing for January's Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21 American plus $5 to ship to Canada. This is like the quickest I've gotten my Boxycharm in since September. I believe October maybe. No, because October I had it sent to the States. So yeah, since September. I do know one of the spoilers that is in here. We all got an email saying which palette we were getting. And unfortunately, it's already a palette that I had previously purchased. So that's one of the spoilers I do know about. So let's get to unboxing January's Boxycharm. So the theme is Boxycharm and, or sorry, Boxy and Chill, sorry. So, I'm a little disappointed from what I see, but we'll go through this. This is the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. Let's see here. Yeah, it is the same one that I have right here. I have used this a few times. As you can see, I got my brush in at one point, and I have used it quite a bit. I do like this. I do find that it's really, really hard for me to use because I'm a lighter skin tone. Let's see here. Do some swatches. That is one of the colors. You can see that they do come out nice, but they can be really hard to blend. I like it, but I don't use it every day. So the next item in here is the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I like Briogeo. I have lots of this stuff. I did get Briogeo in my October box, but it was the leave-in, it was the mask. So I think they sent me this because they knew if they did that, then I would get an extra item next month to replace, for getting a double. So the next item is the BoxyLuxe black eyeliner. Now I have plenty of black eyeliner. I did see I see a few other people get the pink, and I was really, 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 really hoping for that. Of course not. I'm not even gonna bother opening this. I mean, really, we all know what a black eyeliner looks like. So the next item, which I'm absolutely thrilled about, is the Tatcha face mask. These do retail, I think, one for $12, so for two of them they're $24. And now the last item is the Afra, and it doesn't actually give, oh yes it does, it's Havana Nights. It's not my color. I'm really disappointed. Like, really, could be the least appealing box to me right now. This is not my color. It won't even suit me. No, won't even wear it. I should have just canceled for this month, honestly. This is the only thing. These are the only things I'll be happy about. Let's see here. This is $12. That lipstick is $20. This is $19. This is $36. I think I picked up my palette for, I think, $24 or something like that, and that was Canadian. That's not even American. There's a free gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order with Tatcha.com while supplies last. There's really, yeah, Boxy and Chill. I don't know, I'll probably gift this to somebody. I know somebody wants this, so I'll send that to them. As for this, I'll have to wait and see if somebody else gets the same palette or a different one. They don't want it, they can have this one. But yeah, this is only going to be a quick video because I'm just so disappointed. Like, worst box starting this year. The only thing, like I said, I'm excited about is the mask, and I could have just went and bought those myself. So, big no for me. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like my video, you can hit the like button. Any comments, you can leave them below. If you want to be alert to when I'm uploading more videos, I should have another box tomorrow. I believe my Look Fantastic should be here tomorrow or the next day. So if you want to hit the subscribe and then the bell as well, and that'll alert you to any videos that I have when they are ready. I'm in the final stages of doing the giveaway video. I just have to figure out a few other things. So anyway, thanks for watching.